Do you want to know how to do the Pi Network KYC verification? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have made several videos about the Pi Network, which is a passive way to earn crypto just by clicking a button once per day. And to be able to continue earning and actually get your earnings out, eventually you need to do what's called KYC, know your customer, meaning identity verification. And many viewers have asked me about how to actually do this. So therefore I decided to record a video because I have actually done mine now, so I can say exactly how it works. And I will share that step by step in this video so you know exactly how it works and what to expect from it. I have now logged into the Pi Network app, and if you have no idea what I'm talking about, then I'll leave a link below to a full review so you can learn all about how you can actually earn with it and whether it's the right option for you or not. Also, at the end of this video, a little bit later, I will share a earning bonus tip, because once you have done this KYC, you can actually earn extra in a way I'll just explain more about. But the thing is that the network is continuously developing, and now they've reached a state where they're trying to get all the millions of users to do what's KYC to avoid fraud and to make sure that it's a sustainable network. And that will of course benefit all of us who actually have Pi. And to do that, they do this KYC. And that is an identity verification. And many viewers keep asking me, how do I actually do that? And let me just explain a little bit about that then. So the thing is that after the mainnet of Pi Network has been launched now, then there are some steps you need to do to be able to keep earning and eventually also get whatever Pi you have out or be able to use them. I have a full video also, I'll leave a link in the top corner where I explain more about that. But if you click on the side menu and then you can go there to the mainnet and you can see more about it. And there's some different things, and there's for example this mainnet checklist, and that's what you need to do to be able to actually transfer them to the mainnet, right? And you can see there's different things, you just need to follow through that. And it's fairly easy to do, you just need to go through that, and then you can see that you need to submit your KYC application. And the thing is, when you just go there and you try to click that, you can't do it, you can't choose when you want to do it. That's one thing to know. So people ask me then, how do I get access to it? Well, the thing is that you have to be a little bit patient. You will get an invitation also at some point. I just logged in and wanted to click to mine, like I do every single day, just to click that button, and then a pop-up came up and say, I have been invited to the KYC. And then I just had to click it and go through the steps. I'll explain those steps so you know what to expect also a little bit later. But I first want to say that when that comes, you have to be ready, because and it's also said, like, I actually didn't really have time to do it there. I just expected to spend 1 second clicking that button, but then it came up and said, like, you have a spot now for the next 15 minutes. If not, you'll have to wait for the next invitation. So I kind of like just did it, and it actually only took like maybe maximum 5 minutes, and then you just click and you follow through the steps. So what are those steps? Let's also just talk about that. So the steps for the identity verification is that you need to take a picture with your phone, upload it there to the app, and they have a lot of explanations also about the security for this and all that. But you need to do that, take a picture so they can verify that, and then you also need to hold the phone in front of your face so it kind of like reads your face and compares it to the ID, and all that will be uploaded. And then after that, as you can also see, you just need to wait for the KYC results. For me, the next day I came there to the platform or to the app to mine, then it says that I had been approved. So then that means that I'm now ready to actually start taking my earnings over to the mainnet. And as you can see, there's also then the option to invite your team, because I have quite a lot of people that have joined through my invitation link, and I really appreciate that for everyone that has done that. If you're not yet a member and you want to join, I will also leave my invitation link below, because you do need an invitation link to be able to start earning. But as you can see, you can then invite your team to complete KYC, and that means that I could actually invite anyone that has joined through my referral link to get this KYC so they can get it done faster. However, right now it just says that this is coming soon, but I will just make it clear, because many people have asked me about that. As soon as I get this, I will actually, of course, make sure to help anyone that has joined through my referral link to send this invitation as soon as possible. I just also want to say one thing though, that is that I have a community on Patreon. I'll leave a link to that below also. And anyone that's a member there, I will prioritize, because this is where I share exclusive content and give extra earning tips and give different benefits like this. For example, if you're a member there and you've joined through my referral link on Pi, then I will prioritize giving those members the KYC application first or the invitation first. But overall, I will make sure to invite people when I get the chance, but I have been asked, so as of recording this particular video, it is not available yet. I do not know if it will happen tomorrow or in a week or 2 weeks or a month or 2 months. I cannot say that, but I will do it when I can. And until then, you just have to be a little bit patient. Maybe you will also just get an invitation like me inside the app. One day you log in, you just need to be ready. It doesn't take long, just follow the steps, have ID ready, have a phone in a room with light, and then you just do it, and you just have to wait. And it's important to understand that this process is important, because they do need to make sure that people are not cheating, because some people have of course tried to cheat whenever there is free crypto or free money. Also, they try to create several accounts or do all kind of tricks, and they will sort all that out. They will delete all that, and that makes it a better network for all of us that have just earned honestly. So that's important to understand. But let's also talk about a bonus earning tip, because once you have done this, there is a way you can actually earn extra on Pi Network also. So as a part of the KYC process, in case you have not yet done it, you will be asked to install this Pi browser. So it's just another app on your phone, and in there you can see this is where you also then need to click, and then that will take you through the process and do the different steps that I just explained. So that's where you can also go. And I just want to show you one extra thing, because then there is a way to earn extra once you have actually passed the KYC. You can see here it also says that I have passed it. And then there is something down here, and that's a way to potentially earn more, because you can become a validator, because you need to pay 1 Pi to get this KYC verification. So that's just one thing to be aware of, and that will be deducted from your account. But that goes to all these validators, because there are millions of members that needs to go through this KYC. So they allow or outsource this to potential members if you qualify for that. And that means that you will earn more. You will actually get paid for doing that, sitting and checking all this and helping to validate this whole thing to make it faster, and for the process to just move faster so more people get it through the KYC and all this. You can just click there to become a validator and read more about it. You see there is a tutorial. There's of course some steps you need to go through and some things you need to, they do not just accept anyone. So this is, however, important for the network to move forward faster. And I just wanted to make you aware of that also, that you can apply for this. I can't guarantee that you will get it, but it can then be a way to earn extra Pi. If you do believe in the project long term, then this can be something you should consider maybe. So to sum it all up, there is nothing you can do yourself to get the Pi Network KYC verification started right now. You have to be a little bit patient. If you are my referral, now I had passed my KYC, I will, as soon as I get the chance, invite you, as mentioned, the members of my community on Patreon. I'll leave a link below. They will be prioritized, but I will invite people as soon as I get the chance, in general, as a thank for actually joining through my link. But I cannot do it right now as of recording this video. As soon as it's available, I will. But if not, then also you just need to be a little bit patient. Eventually you will get an invitation, and then you just need to be ready. You have to do it usually within a certain time, so you can't just wait and say like, I'll do it tomorrow, whatever. And if you want to keep earning with Pi, you need to go through this KYC process. If you do not feel comfortable about that, you might as well just delete it right away, because then you will not be able to actually use it. In general, it's important to understand that any legit crypto platform will ask you to do KYC, because that is part of the requirements overall. But I hope this video helped you, because a lot of people have asked me what to do with the KYC, when they can get it, and if I will invite them when I get the chance. So I just wanted to record this video and give a full update about that, and I hope the video helped you. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.